Hey there, good morning, folks. I am here in Malibu this morning, and I am just utterly amazed at what I am seeing here. Right here in front of me is a burnt out car, and it's so gorgeous up here in this part of Malibu, but there are no homes here. I don't know if you can see with the sun. There was a pool there, and these houses have been excavated. Some debris is still here, right there. Burned out SUV right there. Kind of looks like it was a Porsche Cayenne. Yet there are houses standing here. This house is totally gone. Look at the garbage cans are melted. Debris has been cleared. Another home standing, unscathed, untouched. Here next door to the one that burned down. These are very exclusive, multi-million-dollar homes. Here you have a home here, but look, right next door, this house is totally devastated. Gone. Destroyed. And next, this is probably the same. The debris has been cleared from here, this property. And yet this house right across the street still stands untouched. And so does this one, two-story home. Another beautiful home here, untouched. I guess because it's got tile roofing. And I'm here for this client here. And that home is still standing. This is Malibu, guys. Alright, bye. Hey there, folks. I am standing here in Malibu, and it's early morning. It's barely 7 a.m. and I am here in Malibu. I'm walking a property that's been decimated. That's the next door house, just reduced to rubble. And it looks like I'm here at another property next door where you can see the foundation here. But what I find interesting is the outdoor kitchen with seating still here. And next door right there as well, outdoor patio, another house with a big lot. And then yet right across the street you got this beautiful home untouched. But being that it's in this canyon, we call it the back country road, the backside here of Malibu, you could see how the winds would have taken embers and just landed on the roofs of certain homes. And the ones that survived have this Spanish tile type roof, and that one over there as well. And that one over there has Spanish tiling on the roof. So those are the houses that survived, but the other ones have been utterly destroyed and decimated and reduced to piles of rubble. All right, so checking out from Malibu. All right, take care. Bye-bye.